Me, why you angry in the mango like that? Huh? What the mango dear? Be where the mango dear? But him have to eat the seed part of the mango and it's comfortable. And the first me I hear that. You hear it, sir? What you say? You hear it, sir? Say, but I can't eat it because you're in the way. I'm going to put it down. Oh, boy, I have to eat it when I'm comfortable. Huh? Eh? I lie? I lie. I lie. See comfort there? You want the ear coming here and make love to the mango. First never hear somebody have eat mango when they comfortable, so they know say a comfortable boss. They say they come out to mango, not true? It be?
An operation later.
Alright guys, welcome, what's up? Welcome back. I had to come and show you all this. I just got my hair permed by Bill. He did a great job. He did an excellent job. Guys, this is Anaine showing you all what he did, and he was really proud of his work, to be honest. Like, he was like, this is the best perm you're going to ever get in your life because I spent time in it. So he did his thing, and honestly at this point the cream did a burn me, but yeah, like, you know, these are the reasons why you all need a man. This is one benefit, one excellent benefit of, well, it depends on the type of man you have to, because if he's not the type to work his hands properly, then, you know, then this won't be a benefit for you. But he did well. Look, and my hair is growing so much. It has been about 2 months since I last permed it. Do you remember when I had natural hair? Like a tupsy natural hair? It's growing so much. And this month I chose not to go to the hairdresser. I said, listen, I'm going to do a little saving and do it from home. And then in the little thing, babes, him in the ear, him have work in the ear and do everything for me. So he did a great job, people. Great job. So a good benefit of having a Dane in my life is to make him be my own personal hairdresser. Yeah, I really appreciate that. That, you know, it helped me out a lot. Now them wear. So currently we're going to where go? We're going on the road. We're gonna go Jackson. We're gonna get like a food to eat. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna watch a movie, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna know if we're gonna do that. Let's see what it's like when we head out. It's approximately about after 8, almost to 9, so we're kind of heading out late. So yeah, so stay tuned to see what we do in this vlog. A basic outfit like Forever 21 skirt and an arrow top. Yeah. So guys, we're leaving. At this time I'm not really sure where we are end up. No, we are going to Jackson. I'm just not sure if we're going to watch movie afterwards. So guys, we made it to KFC. We're in KFC. We were hoping that we wouldn't have to come out the car. But you know what? Typical Jamaican behavior. KFC locked 11 o'clock. Drive to lock 9:05. That makes sense? Oh, that makes sense. These people are lazy. They want to go home exactly the time at 11. Like, yes, work ends at 11. However, why make it harder for customers? I don't understand, you know. I don't understand the system out here. I don't understand it. I don't understand it. And the line inside here not moving. It's like each customer go to the corner, it takes like approximately 5 minutes, so you have to be checking. It seems like, I'm gonna go out this annoying, but it seems like they have to be checking if they have certain things. And we have been here about 20 minutes and about 2 persons.
got the cashier already and about 2 persons get served already. So I'm like 11 o'clock and it's just about 20 past 9 now. So probably me now come out here till 11 o'clock and I'm there at the back slow. So annoying.
Guys, the prices. Are you aware that the prices they got higher over the last 2 weeks? Yeah, because a big deal is now 1,250. A meal deal is now 935. A 6-piece is $2,600. Hey, advice, can I know cook? Zinger box? I know Zinger box is now $1,020. Our biscuit prices up to how much for a biscuit? 125 for one biscuit. I go to me up me and look, you know, because but I'll take for go like other one biscuit. Huh? 125 for one biscuit. Sometimes it tough. Can't take to one dog. Never side. No KFC. I'm telling you, say, men they run at the back. Watch out. And for me coming here, not on the end of the crack them. So I coming here about 3 somebody get through. So I immediately tell me that I collapse before me go up by cashier. Them slow. Guys, I ended up going to Pizza Hut 2 as well. That's because when I got at KFC, it's cold. I don't like cold food. Furthermore, I'm not a fan of KFC. You see me go there, but I really don't like it. So if the food cold, big turn off for me. So I end up going and grab a personal pan. So the KFC I basically gonna throw down till tomorrow. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is about a few days after, but I wanted to show you some cute little stuff that I did to my bathroom. I am living on Pinterest trying to find the best decor to make this bathroom a home best feeling. I don't know if I'm make it, but I'm trying to find some stuff to make my bathroom kind of more, you know, nice. So I did this little decor on my toilet top. I had something, let me show you. I had this one over here and this one was over here. It says so fresh, so clean. I added over here, but I ended up taking it off the toilet because let me show you. It's too big. It's too big. So when the toilet open, it will affect all of this right here. So I ended up taking it off. But what you guys think? Do you think I should leave it like this? Because it could come a little bit back the way, you know. Alright, but it's still gonna affect the toilet in a sense. So I'm not sure. So I had this one there, but then because I thought it was too big for the toilet top, I placed it over here. And then I said I was going to put this one here, then I took it off. So do you guys like this one? It says reality call, so I hang up. So it's just some like a cute bathroom aesthetic Pinterest stuff that I found on Pinterest, and I really tried to make my house that look that I am going for. Not sure if these plants are going to stay here. I don't have anywhere to put them right now, and I bought them. I mean, I want to just leave them in there anywhere for me to just use them because I don't have the space to store anything that's not in use. So I saw, like, you know, they did this basket thing, a toilet paper, and some they call them rags, bath rags. And over here it's on top of I bought this book. It's a book stand. It's a book stand that I bought in cords. Initially I wanted a stand with like cupboard, whatever, but they had none that I liked at the time, and knowing me, I like rush to get things, so I rushed and got this. No, I really wish I got something that was closed, not enclosed, but I kind of organized some stuff up there, you know, like a whatever face stuff, every little thing randomly. Place stuff up there. Down here I have my white towels, and then down here I went ahead and organized everything. So inside here I have like anything in regards to scents for the house. So I labeled it air freshener. I have a whole set of air freshener of labels that I bought to do my laundry room, but I'm gonna get to it yet. And over these ones don't have no label, but I think I'm gonna change out these baskets because the label don't sit on it properly, and I need to get some labels to do those. So these are some of the cute stuff that I did to my bathroom. In what I plan to do is to like get some clear, we call them now, jars, so I can pour this in it. I want to get some jars that are the same. I can put in my, you know, these stuff in it. This is just my face cleaner. I got this cute little gold tray from Dollar Tree, not Dollarama, Dollar Tree. It was $1.25. If I was buying this in Jamaica, it would have been about $1,500. I'm not exaggerate, okay? This wall now blank, and I want to put a mirror there, but I'm gonna get to it yet. I saw this nice mirror that would rock this wall so well in Rapid, but money takes money. So I'm just gonna try to do everything one step at a time. Currently, I'm trying to focus on my bedroom because I really want to give you guys that final tour. All right, and over here where my face basin is, I just did this. I had these from my last apartment. I didn't want to throw them out, so what I did, I just kind of reused them because I don't have any. It's not a vanity, you know, and I'm not covered or nothing. Just face these. I really ate them something here. I don't know why people make house and don't even think about like people are going to need space to put their detergent, their cleaning supplies, any little thing, like fling this blank face base. Like these things are out of style, but whatever. So up here I have my, hold on, Bath and Body Works soap. It's warm vanilla. Where I focus, I come out of focus. Warm vanilla. This is good. This scent is good. I have some in storage too as well. Under there I have this cute little plant that I bought in Maxi, no, like friend me care from. I put $1 Tree, $1.25 sis. Cause if me buy some Maxi, me know me pay like $500 because I have some a smaller sister that paid $5.50 for them about a year or something now. So you can imagine how much for them now. And just a little air freshener to keep in here smelling fresh. So yeah, that's a little bathroom update. I really want to do a tour. Over here is the heater, is the water heater, and I put like a toothbrush something on it and toothpaste on it. Guys, I want to know about the toothpaste here. You ever used it before? Comment down below. You see, if you ever use this before, then you're on the right track with keeping your mouth fresh. You see, if you never used it before, I'm not saying your mouth not fresh, but if you try it, trust me, you're never going back. It's the best. It's pricey, but it's the best. Honestly, very good. Colgate Max Fresh with whitening charcoal. Now go back. Yeah, and whoa, I have this shower curtain that I bought on Amazon, but honestly I want to change it out. I want to change it out, but I'm gonna get to it yet. But there's so many things that I want to do. I'm gonna get to it yet, but it's just a bathroom update I'm dropping into this video. All right guys, so, and guys, a little way to keep your bathroom keep your bathroom organized is get one of these little shower, what do you call it? It's like a caddy. Is it a caddy or I'm not sure. But I bought this in Rapid and it has been good. At first it was up there, but it keep on a fall off the wall, so I just put it down here, and I have like my daily shower routine essential. Well, I'm every day I scrub down but I have my body wash, my Dove body wash. I have my shaving cream. This is so good. This is a two-in-one. This is a two-in-one shave and skin conditioner. Makes the skin feel good. I have my face wash and foot scrub, because I know foot can rough sometimes. So, and I have my soap thing right there, and right here just keep a bath towel. Like we just spread it on the mat, and yeah. That's a little update on my bathroom, a little organization kind of thing, and these are the my entire house decor is navy blue and white with touch of gold. So that's why it's in my bathroom. But yeah, that's a little update on my bathroom. I have this up there. It's a see the good. So when I get to the bathroom, you guys will see the official bathroom tour and everything. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna end the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, y'all. Bye.